So you may be wondering why I had to make this another one. Is it because there's I just only have like 11 views of possibly some of my fans actually watching it, and I didn't get a single like button. Not a single like button has been seen. So what do? I just like doing another one. So maybe I should like just do like doing this regularly schedule on Saturdays and Sundays for the Silly Birds Randomness videos. So yeah, so here it goes. Another one, the Silly Birds Randomness series. So here it goes.
Social justice, 1, 2, 3. I wanna be PC. It's just the way to be for me and you. Your hateful slurs are through. I call wee wee on you. We'll fight until you're PC black and blue. We are language police, fighting bigotry. Hurtful words can suck our turds, cause it's PC for me and you. Yeah, PC, bro.
Huh? Okay. Let's see if there's something in the closet. Ah! Oh man. I was worried if that goddamn freaking fox fixin' looking animatronic might crawl to my in the ceiling and freaking grab my head, grab me and eat my freaking face off. And now, if I do, I'll be freaking dead forever. Hey man, you wanna play some soccer? Shut the hell up, you little kid. Okay, excuse me, sir? Yes? I have something to you. What is it? This is Sparta! Boom! Ha-ha! Oh, I think I need some sleep tonight. Let me go to this. Let me get to my house. I'm gonna get a little relax and just sleep tonight. Let's see if someone's in my house that's just gonna get me. Let's see. Hey, what are you doing in my house? I'm sorry. I just want to get some sleep. Well, get out of my goddamn house, you little blackbird! Seriously, are you sure if that girl from The Walking Dead is that your mother? What? I don't have a mom. If that girl from The Walking Dead, the old lady, is actually my mom. But really, because I just took a weekend, it's actually your wife, and when I check in your face, your voice actor's face, he's white. And that grandmother looks like white. Maybe they're related. Can you just quiet now? I need some goddamn sleep. Well, get out of my goddamn house! What? Oh shit. Fuck you! Okay, where's that stupid bee? Oh, there he is! How you doing? Also the bee style, you little pit bee! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Ah! Fuck! Somebody was storming the wall. It's gonna woman. I hate this child is the one that shine. He keeps his Alright, can you shut up with that goddamn singing, you little fatty? Hi-ho! 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 Oh, Hi-ho! 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 Well, not in the world that everybody don't care about me. This disrespecting my poet! I can't believe how you're flying! Oh! Okay, can you find something about the goddamn Scream? That's someone's name? Wellham Scream? Okay, Porham Scream? Porkham Scream? Is that a good name? Let's find out if that's here. Take a listen. Wait, do you hear that? Let's watch it again. Well, Wilhelm is Illuminati confirmed!
You call me dark chocolates, aka young sexy mother.
Ass so fat, all these bitches' pussies is throbbing.
This just got awkward.
It's the quote that everybody who has pain and misery. Pain is definitely misery. Anger is forever. Oh man. this day, I might take a piss in someone's pool. I wonder who. Let me go to the pool. What? Yeah. Why is Iceberg isn't an Angry Birds movie? Wrap up those fryers. I'm so hungry for one. Oh no, you didn't. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of here! Ah, my leg! Don't you see? We're not gonna allow to put you in the movie. Only Stella characters allowed in here. No space characters and even Star Wars characters allowed in this movie. Frickin' Sandman always gave me some hallucinations of frickin' pigs gonna burn, frickin' cook my children. Even if I don't have children. I deserve to get genocide on them. Because I'm filled with determination in my pants. Even if I don't have pants. Where's my money? Dude, I don't have any money. Well, fuck's your money! If Piggy in the middle ended like this. Get terminated, piggies! I live in the pineapple under the sea. And it sucks. Psych! You got bludgeoned! I believe I can fly! Ah! Okay, what the hell am I? Am I in this dungeon or prison or something? Where the heck am I? Where the hell am I? What? What the fuck? Time is running out. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! Please help me! Please help me! Where's my goddamn son? Excuse me? You talking to the poster? Oh, did I lost my mind? Yeah. Well, totally. Determination, you little. Get my bullet! Nope. What are you doing there? I have to tell you something. What is it? I'm your father. Oh god dang, why is this twist is getting too old? Why not Hey, I'm your bro, dude, because I'm your father, bro. I'm your PC father, bro. I'm a PC father, bro. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? There, you got dead. This twist is getting old. Nope. Seriously, give me back my goddamn golden egg money. It's mine, you little bitch. Don't call me you little bitch, you little bitch. Well, not this time. I gotta get your money. Not this time, you little maggot. You would have passed with my golden egg. I love you, Stella. God dang it, you stupid.
How you doing?
Really, bro? Seriously? Really, PC, bro? Sup, buddy? What the heck are you? It's I, Nightmare! Well, you know what I gotta say? Fuck this shit, man! Oh, come on! What's in the box? What's in the goddamn box? Sorry, buddy. I think I can return into the goddamn to the cliff. What? Given, what's in the box? What's in the goddamn box? You little black racist motherfucker. Okay, don't call me that. You little raspy little kid. Yeah, what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the goddamn box? What's in the goddamn box? Tell me what's in the box. Well, you need to get out. Well, screw you guys. I'm going home. Surprise! Take a look at it, mate. Do you see that? Pink feathers, which are gloves. Chica has 4 feathers on her head. You know what that means? Chica's Illuminati confirmed! Hey, what are you doing? We have enough of this goddamn video. We done. We're done. Come on, Chica. This is pretty much gonna make more views than my other videos. Make more views than my reaction videos. Yeah, who cares? Because if this video has FNAF videos, a lot of people will watch it because of us. Well, who cares? Get the hell out of here, you little chicken. Well, beep you little kid. I'm 15-year-old, you little dummy. Who cares, you little teenager? Ah! So yeah, guys, so this is definitely the Silly Birds Randomness number 2. So yeah, this is pretty much going to be the new thing about it, because I'm going to release it like on Saturdays and Sundays, even though I don't have to make it like a little shorter, needed around like 10 or like 8 or 9 minutes or something, or possibly around 10 for other stuff. So yeah, so pretty much this is pretty much a lot crazier than my second video, my other video, because it was like it wasn't have Undertale videos. Oh my goodness, that's weird. It's always have FNAF stuff because Balloon Boy and Chica. Yeah, I know there was gonna be more of these videos like tomorrow or isn't. So yeah, so hope you might see you for more videos of Silly Birds series, Randomness series. So yeah, hope you might see you for more. So good luck for more. So how you doing? So they call me a white chocolate, aka young handsome little fella.